Why sleep is harder as we age and how to fix it. Hello, my friends. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, sleep, especially as we grow older. Why does it feel harder to get a good night's rest, and what can we do about it? Stick around because I'll be sharing simple, practical tips to help you sleep better and feel more refreshed every day. Before we share more of this valuable information, please take a moment to help the channel by sharing, liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It is at no cost to you. Why we need sleep. First, let's talk about why we need sleep in the first place. Sleep is like hitting the reset button for our bodies and minds. It restores our energy, helps with memory, regulates our hormones, and even strengthens our immune system. Without it, we feel sluggish, forgetful, and, let's be honest, a little cranky. Why sleep gets harder with age. But here's the tricky part. As we age, sleep doesn't come as easily. Why? For starters, our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. We also experience lighter sleep, making it easier to wake up. Add in health conditions like arthritis or sleep apnea, and it's no wonder so many of us struggle. How to improve sleep? Now for the good news. You can take steps to improve your sleep. Here are my top tips. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, maybe a warm bath or reading a book. Get moving during the day. Physical activity helps regulate your sleep cycle. Limit caffeine no later than 1 p.m. and no heavy meals in the evening 2 hours before going to bed. And finally, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Remember, sleep is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. If these tips resonate with you, give them a try and let me know how they work. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who might need better sleep too. Until next time, sleep well and stay well. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to MedicareSelfEnroll.com, enter your zip code, doctor's name and prescriptions to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area. Go to InsuredMeds.com/store for all you senior home essentials.